Happy Independence Day to all Nigerians home and abroad. I have decided to create a small project in Scratch that will allow you to take quizzes about Nigeria. So let's just check it out. Alright, so when I click on take quiz, it's going to be asking different questions like, so who is the president of Nigeria? So you have to select. It's going to ask you to correct question, and then when you get the answer, it takes you to the next question. So who is the governor of Lagos State? Now, what if we miss the question? Let's say I picked this. Say wrong question, wrong answer, and then it takes you back to the beginning. So you click on flag to start all over again. Alright, so this is how the app looks like. In the next series of tutorial, this is what I will be showing you how to create in Scratch.